Meanwhile, travel to Hawaii with us.
And there we have it, the island of Hawaii. I think this one is the big island, is it? I don't even know. I don't even know. But look, we have a balcony and this is our first view in the morning. So like I said, it's a little obstructed, right? But it ain't stopping nothing. Look at that. Look at this rainbow. Ooh. It's a double rainbow. Double rainbow. You see the outer one and then the inner one. Wow, that is. Tell Sean and then they're missing this. Oh my goodness. Aloha, Hawaii. Hilo, that is. So we are just getting off the cruise ship and we are about to go out here and meet our Turo driver. And I'm going to tell you guys more about that in a second. So basically, we pulled up in dock in Hilo, and the easiest thing for us to do was to rent a car through Turo. The reason why is because on Hilo, the rental cars are at the airport. So you would have to find your way to the airport and then get your rental car. With Turo, you can actually negotiate with your Turo driver a more convenient pickup point. In this case, our Turo driver is meeting us here at the pier, and then we're going to drive her back to her house. And then we're going to continue our adventure. It was very cost effective, about $100, and that's with all the fees included. And so we will split that 4 ways. So that's $25 a piece. Best excursion money can buy. Let's go see what we get into. The excursions here ranged from $200 to $300 average. And they were basically going to take you to some of the same waterfalls that are actually pretty much free or less than $5 per carload to see. So that's why we decided to go ahead and rent a car. But as you see, as soon as you come out, they have free van to shuttle, and this will take you to the Hilo Farmers Market. Let me show you. And then here is another free downtown Hilo shuttle. As you can see. So it looks like as soon as you get off the boat, you have some options.
Explain me about the 1938.
No, I can't. How am I gonna? No, I don't. He think I'm a tour guy for real. He asked me.
Why? Because the colors and you don't know about them?
I don't know, Jay. I don't know everything.
1929.
So right now we're pretty much walking a little bit to the path where we can be picked up. But this is where we came from. And so we're just following the yellow brick road for the most part. We are on our way to Rainbow Falls, which driving here is pretty easy, and there's even signs along the way. Now, the Hawaiian name is going to be Wailuku. No, it's going to be Wailuku. No, it's going to be Wailuku Falls. Yeah, it looks like that's what people are doing, right? And what about this parking lot? Yeah, a lot of people here came with tours with the ship, and they paid all the money to get here.
Oh, that's what that money was for. You paid for the rent. You said 25 each.
Oh, look at that.
No. Never had. Right.
Look at this. Ooh.
So, lady, what's the name of this waterfall?
Rainbow Falls.
Okay, so this is the actual Rainbow Falls, the only one that's in this park?
Yes. Yes. Also known as Wailuku Falls.
Ooh.
And they say to try to get here around 10 a.m. on a sunny day. Today's kind of overcast, but usually you will see rainbow, like a rainbow over these falls. So that's why they call it Rainbow Falls. But yeah, it's a little overcast and cloudy. About 5 minutes from the cruise pier, Wailuku, and I'm probably saying that all the way wrong, Falls, also known as Rainbow Falls, is one of the more popular sights to see in Hilo. Now, one of the recommendations is to get here around 10 a.m. in the morning because that is your best opportunity at seeing the rainbows. Because it's the perfect time when the sun is out as well as some of the morning rain. And so we are here, it's about 9:30 right now, and we're hoping that we see rainbows. Now, one of the recommendations is no matter how tempting the water looks, do not attempt to swim. There are flash floods that can suck you into lava tubes or caves and you will get trapped there, okay? Do not attempt to swim. Do not attempt to swim. Now, here's the thing. Hawaii confuses me. Hilo is located on what is known as the Big Island or Hawaii Island. I think that's right, Hawaii. Who knew? Only thing I know about Hawaii is Maui, Oahu, and apparently those are known as the Big Island. So we are here in Hilo, the Big Island. We have a car that we rented through Turo, and we are going to explore all that we can explore here, and we're going to take you guys along with us.
Okay.
Lie and look, and she be lying in her pictures. Whoa.
That's what she allowing me first before she knew if it was a bug or not. I had to do the test. This one is like looking like how it's like how it made them.
Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. So the banyan trees are known for their elaborate root system. Baby, listen to me. Listen. You hear me?
Are you making something up?
So the banyan trees are known for their elaborate root systems. When left alone, their roots as limbs will actually go down into the earth and come up again over and over again until you have this massive root system making up a great tree. Something like that.
All right, that's take one. We might have to do a take two.
There you go.
And this banyan tree, which is actually humongous, is estimated to be 600 years old. This is all one tree. All of these root systems come off of that tree.
Just talk to them.
Go, Tisha. Just talk to it. Become one. No, go some more.
That's not brave.
That's not brave at all. Yeah, good job, Tisha. You are a brave girl. Yes, girl.
Give it to us now. Work them poses, baby. Okay.
So normally on the sunny day, what it is with this mist, you see the rainbows in that mist. It's just the perfect, like you need a perfect storm of the sun and the mist and the rainbows. So on our way to Pepe Falls, it's about a mile away from the Rainbow Falls. By car, that is. You say 4 miles? It's about 4 miles away from Rainbow Falls by car. Sorry, correction. It's about 1 mile away from Rainbow Falls by car. Oh look, the sign right here says Boiling Pots, which is also Pepe Falls. Nice. I love how there's so much signage on the streets, kind of pointing you toward the right way.
Pepe Falls.
Take the next left at Wailuku Drive, then you will arrive at your destination.
So now we're on Pepe Falls Street.
Yes, this is the parking.
Oh yeah, look. Boiling pot section. Yep. So here's a parking lot. Beautiful.
That's what God was on it. What the fun.
Oh, look how beautiful that looks. The colors in those trees. You know how normally you're used to seeing flowers, but they're low to the ground? To see the flowers way up in the air like that is absolutely gorgeous. No animals allowed in this park except for service dogs. This looks just so freaking beautiful and tropical. This was definitely the best way to do this. Get in a car and just driving ourselves around. Let me find out, this might be my new favorite thing to do. Now see, wherever he was going to have us go, because remember he said the signs are going to say no trespassing, but people just ignore them.
Right there.
Yeah, that's true. Because he was like, people get down into this water. Yeah, I don't know about right there though. That look crazy. Yeah, it's definitely not up here because I can't see ourselves climbing down there from here. So this is Boiling Pot Falls.
They had dragons.
Now, the Battle of Wailuku River. So there is a Hawaiian Molelo story that tells of events and places along the Wailuku River and how these places got their names. So Hina, who was the goddess of the falls around here, especially at Rainbow Falls, had a son named Maui. One night there was a huge storm and rain filled the gorge. Kuna decided that he would take advantage of this storm and place a huge boulder to block the river just below Hina's cave where she slept. As the water rose, the cave started to flood. Now awake, Hina became alarmed and called to her son, "O Maui, fisher of islands, O Maui, slower of sun, listen, it is Hina who calls. Come quickly, O Maui, my son, come in your swift canoe, come with your mighty war club, save us from Kuna Mo'o." Maui heard his mother's call faintly as in a dream. He looked around about the night sky and saw his mother's small bright cloud above Hawaii. From the slopes of Halakala on the island of Maui, he sprang into his canoe and paddled to Hilo. He saw no water flowing in the Wailuku River and knew that it had been dammed. So here, this is known as Boiling Pots, but you see how the water looks serene and tranquil over there? So because of that, a lot of people will get in the water and they'll swim and they'll like just wade in the water. But the problem is when the rain starts, it creates flash floods, creating a white water rapids, creating white water rapids, and people die. So more people die here in this river than anywhere else in Hilo.
Right here.
Yep. Because look how like it just looks like, oh, we can go and walk around here. It looks nice and safe and serene.
It just comes
but
pouring down.
Yeah, you're not prepared for the flash floods that happen.
It comes from like miles away, right? water.
Yep. So this is how it looks.
How it looks in its full potential.
So this sign says, turn around, don't drown. Flash flood, be alert. Water may rise without warning. Fast moving water in the stream has killed people. Matter of fact, because y'all ain't listening, they put a whole fence up. Because they was like, they still ain't listening. And look, it ain't no swimming. So that tells you there was a point in time where people just, come on, Jay, let's do it.
Give me the bag of the kids.
You'll pay for my citation?
You're not going to get sighted.
Excited?
It's beautiful. Look, y'all, there's a whole trail right here. All we got to do is get on it.
They're pretty hard. Pretty hard to go down there. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do next time.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Kuamana Drive. Take the next left onto Kuamana Drive.
So the caves looks like it's closed. Wonder why. This must be like volcano lava. Yeah, it's got to be volcano lava. Oh, it's right there. Oh, yeah.
So this here, you got it on me? So this was created by lava flow from 1881 volcano eruption. So the thing about Hilo is known as the volcano island because it has the most, I don't know if they're active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes in the islands. So yeah, so this here, we was about to get our lives. But it's closed due to partial collapse. And
Oh, they collapsed. Something collapsed.
It says partial collapse. Closed due to partial collapse. This would have been so cool had this been open and not roped off. But basically, this is a lava tube. So it's created from when the volcano erupted and the flow of lava. And this happened in 1881. But you can see, like down there, that's where we would have been. We would have been going down those stairs and into this cave. And this is why we would have needed flashlights. Can you see that? We was about to get our lives. Baby, you want to do the drone? Yeah, we was about to get our lives, y'all. We was going to be all up in there, Dora the Explorer in. But they have it all roped off. Akaka Waterfalls is rated one of the top 5 most beautiful falls in Hawaii. It is 442 feet high and located 11 miles north of Hilo. It costs $5 per car or $1 per person to get into the falls.
I want to bring my cash.
Huh?
I forgot to get the money.
All right, so the prices went up since I Googled it.
You got it, Shauna?
The entry fee is $5 per person. All right, so the entry fee is $5 per person, or parking fee within the yellow gate is $10. Huh.
Oh, reset assortment. Oh, got it.
Oh, okay. Kahuna is going to be the smaller one, so let's go to see Kahuna, and then let's go get wild with the big one. I think. And I just say that because it says Akaka Falls is the blah, 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 blah. So we're going to go see Kahuna Falls first. It smells so good out here, guys. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
I don't know what she smells.
It smells good, like the fragrance. Don't it smell good, Shauna? Yeah.
Letitia, wash it with the monkey. How many snakes are
Mhm. Oh, this is why they wanted to come to Hawaii. Is this worth it? Look at the, I mean, it just looks like just beautiful plants in the sky, but they're trees. Yeah, so far everybody who passing us is huffing and puffing. Yeah, they're 90. But you know what I love? I love that they're 90.
What you said?
They are out here doing it. You know what I'm saying? Why are you think in this conversation with me?
Yes.
They're out here doing
They
it.
are doing it.
Like, no excuses. They are like, we are
enjoying nature.
Yeah, and
all the beauty that it has
we're
to
older
offer.
and we're out here. We're going to climb. We're going to hike. We're going to go see. We're going to explore. I love it. That's how I want to be at their age. We are. Well, think about it, because we're who we are right now at our age. And our mothers weren't doing this. Were they? No, our parents weren't.
That's a bamboo tree, right?
Yeah, that's a bamboo tree. A bamboo tree grows like a lot. It grows like a lot, like 1 centimeter. Like, it just, yeah. Bamboo trees are known as invasive species, but they're so versatile that you can do so much with them. Like, they can create furniture. You know, they can just do so much. So a lot of people don't mind them being invasive. But when they start growing, oh, they're going to continue growing. And they will overtake an area. Yeah, you didn't hear. That's what I was saying, Tisha. Oh, wow. Tisha, that's what I was saying. You didn't hear all those people huffing and puffing as they walk by us? Yeah, and you huffing and puffing, you were going down. Oh, look at this banyan tree. OMG.
I ain't gotta go see the other one. Kuna.
Yeah, you are.
I'll wait till the video comes out in 3 months.
Look at the archway.
Yeah. Look at the bamboo.
And the moss on it.
I feel like I gotta find out what it grows. It grows like an inch a year or a centimeter a day, or I'm gonna find out what it is and I'm gonna bloop it in the bottom. But look at this banyan tree. Wow. Oh, excuse me. You're funny. Akuna Matata. What a wonderful face. It means don't worry.
I feel like I'm on the walking trail, you know. It moves.
Oh, yeah. Getting this rental car was the best idea ever. Finding you was the best idea ever. Hmm. Where they going?
It says one way.
What's that, y'all?
I think we gotta go up.
Yeah, I think we gotta go up because this is a dead end.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is about probably overseas.
Oh, but maybe feel like I can hear something.
Well, I hear the waterfall.
Oh, this. All right, so they say this one is the way to the big waterfall, Akaka Falls. And they say it's amazing. And our man, our man came up here and apparently he was just going to leave. Hey.
No, you don't get it in India either.
I'm glad we came through here. This is really nice. Yeah, it's cool. It's a smaller fall.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
Oh, so this is the big one on this one?
Yeah, that's what they say.
Okay.
Well, cool. Yeah. Learned all that.
I know. It seems like it's Lilikoi.
Right.
Just because I like saying the word Lilikoi.
Shauna wanted to go to the gym today. I was like, we're gonna have our gym tonight today. Don't worry, I've been there for a couple of days. I do a private session with you when we get back. And I puff there.
Cooch. No. Back in October. Can't get you out of my smooth. Yeah, y'all slowing down progress. Look at Jay.
That's right.
Oh, child. Child, we are earning this meal. I cannot wait to eat. This meal will be earned. I can like feel it pounding in my ear, my heart. Y'all feel it in your ear?
Oh, I see the big one.
Ooh.
Oh, that is pretty.
I just wanted like,
Ooh, y'all.
I just want to be right underneath it.
This is Akaka Falls.
Hold on, man. Stop.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
You got to walk back up.
Yeah, I'm glad we seen the more underwhelming one first. And it ended it with the bang. Oh, we need to do a picture.
That's a waterfall.
That's a waterfall. Yeah, this is gorgeous. And thank you for building these steps so that we can come and look at this. Imagine all the waterfalls and stuff out there that we will never see because ain't nobody hiking to them. But they made this nice and accessible. Hi, friends.
Hello, how are you?
We are well. How are you guys?
Hello.
Oh, this is gorge. Well,
Are you guys doing more diving or plan on?
No, we're pretty much done.
That was awesome.
these
That was awesome. I need to. On my camera, my GoPro is like hard to like. I don't do enough. Like I haven't even looked at the pictures. Hopefully, I got something.
Right. Yeah, same here. We haven't really looked at them yet. You guys just do it, or you guys
We had to go get.
I know, I'm like, okay, everybody has to fit.
Yeah.
This is the way around.
What time is it there? It's 12:36 here.
That's how we got it.
All right. Maybe we'll take your advice. All right, it's good to see you guys. Yes. Have a good one.
all right, so we stopped off the side of the road. We seen a sign for like fresh stuff. So we figured we'll stop here.
I'm still waiting on mine, right?
Oh, you're waiting for your coconut with the pineapple, right?
No, the pina colada.
Pina colada coming up right now.
Ooh, that sounds good. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, I know. You see them prices? Oh God.
Get that real Sugar King, dude. You can get real pure Sugar King. Unless you're going to, man.
Ooh, that one's gonna be sweet. So drink the juices first, all the juices, and then we'll take out the meat for you and put it on the pineapple. You guys already paid the 20, or you guys already? Okay. You're ahead of the game.
Do I just take a stick or what?
What's that? No, I have it here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When you're done with the coconut, bring it back to me. We'll finish up your. Just chew it, spit it out after.
Oh.
Then our other specialty is our fresh apple banana bread down here, with chocolate chips and mac nuts. My girlfriend just made last night.
Yeah, I feel like we should try what he just said.
The hurricane is the way.
Wait,
all
the
three.
hurricane?
You get the pina colada and the bag of sugar cane for the hurricane. If you just want to do the coconut and pineapple, you can go for the pina colada. That one's nice too. All separate bags. You guys putting it all on the one pineapple.
Yeah, I'm thinking the peanut.
Fruit stand.
Tisha, I know, this is why.
Strong.
Yeah. Where are you guys gonna head to next?
The zoo? How's the zoo?
Zoo is nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah, I recommend the spot on the way there though. It's really nice and it's less zooey.
Uh-huh.
It's called Richardson's Ocean Beach Park.
Oh yeah, we have that on our list too.
That one's nice. But
yeah.
I love the zoo though. I go there quite a bit.
All right, this is the hurricane.
Pina colada.
It's the I'm sorry. This is the pina colada. How is it?
Combination of the combination of the coconut and the pineapple, the sweet and the coconut together. To live for.
She's like the cup of the big. Did he squeeze the lime over everything?
Not a big, huge squeeze.
Let me see. Yeah, all I'm gonna say, if y'all stop off the side of the road and buy stuff with their high prices,
get ready.
I ain't gonna say to expect greatness. That's all I'm gonna say. But you might run into a stand that has greatness. You might run into a stand that has greatness, but don't expect it. We did it for the experience. We did it for the experience.
Anything, stick with the $10
pineapple. And yes, in Hilo, it rained on our parade on our way to the zoo, woo, which is free. We're deciding to make a detour because this rain is coming down heavy. So we're probably gonna go try the macadamia factory. Hi, chicken. Look, guys. The Panaewa Rainforest Zoo is located 4 miles south of Hilo, and it is the only natural tropical rainforest zoo in the United States. The zoo is free. However, it lacks amenities, so bring your own food, and you can even have a picnic. Now, they do have bathroom facilities, and it's absolutely gorgeous out here. So I say for free 99, it is definitely worth a visit. It's like their little benches are so cute. Like, look at the little benches. And then you see the little tiger, the white tiger one. Oh, and then you have like the little black swan. Oh, that is so cute. Come on, y'all want to walk down this way? Like an anteater. Now, with it having just rained, I don't think I'm expecting to see any animals. Guys, I think what y'all about to see is a collection of benches. Look at that one. Ooh. Look at this colorful rooster. Hey, rooster. Hi, Bookie. Hey, baby. Oh, but you dropped the turd before you did that. Okay. All right, it's some little turtles in there. So basically, these are all the animals that you can have at your home too. Ooh, American alligator.
Yeah, that's you in your house.
Hi.
They belong over here too. They got them over below. Well, not these over here.
Yeah, Tisha want to sit on that bench. Jay trying to show my benches of the zoo exhibit.
Oh, way at the top too. He trying to get out. I want to take a picture of the benches too.
No. I know the benches are the most interesting thing about this zoo. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, this is the last clip. Don't know why
Here, kitty,
nothing
kitty,
else
kitty,
was
kitty.
recorded. Perhaps the batteries died or the memory cards ran out. But this is the last clip in here. I know we've seen something interesting. Like, for instance, the tiger literally climbed a tree. Literally climbed a tree. It's not captured on video anywhere, but it was probably the coolest thing we've seen at the zoo. After our zoo visit, pretty sure we returned our Turo card, got back to the ship, and all was well. Thank you for hanging out in Hilo with us, guys. Until the next adventure, see y'all later. Don't forget to thumbs up, talk to us in the comments, and subscribe. Peace.